Hello everyone! Tara at samahan nyo kaming mag-Kinder City with the kids! Ilang araw na nga lang ay babalik na kami ng Ireland dito sa mga panahon na to. Kaya sabi ko kay Rain ay dalhin naman namin ang kids sa playground. And where else will you bring them but here in Kinder City?
Ay lang, 25 pa siya.
Wow, ano wala pa siya?
Hindi, October 25.
Akala ko 2025.
Yung magulo ka pa kaysa magulong kausap, char.
Napaka-independent naman.
Nakakatuwa nga kasi hindi lang bata ang nag-enjoy dito, promise. Pati kaming mga adults na kasama nila.
Evie! Oops! Very good, Evie! Well done! Galing! Galing! Yay! Yay! Clap your hands, Evie! Woo! Evie! Woo! Yes! Woo! Taas naman.
Go! Go!
Nako-control niya eh.
Hindi kasi mali yung suot niya. Hindi madulas.
Ah.
Ito, pampabilis. Yung gusto nila.
Hi, what are you selling? What's that? Vegetables?
Hello, miss!
Alam niya kung alin yung nascanner niya eh.
Okay, where's your payment?
How much is it? Here we go. Here you go. Where's my change? Thank you. Bye-bye.
Oh, how much? You say it to Zebby. Oh, where's your man? What will you say? Yung mas nag-enjoy pa siya. Sure. Ibi!
Hello, Kinder citizens. We hope you're having fun and safely. Inspection that will take place in 10 minutes. You may proceed to the shoe rack area to check out. Thank you.
Loser!
Ang maganda dito sa Kinder City ay nag-allocate talaga sila ng mga 10 to 15 minutes of cleaning time. Kaya may difference yung time ng mga lumabas at sa mga susunod na papasok. Somehow hygienic! Hanggang dito na lang ulit ang video namin. Salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye!
Thank you for coming to Kinder City, and we hope to see you again very soon.
Now, everybody